Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I go by the name Mollen and this is Cook with Mollen. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also you can hit that notification bell. In case I post another video, you will get notified. So in today's video, I'm going to make fluffy banana pancakes. Very simple and easy to make using just simple recipe and affordable ingredients. So guys, without other ado, allow me to get started. So when making banana pancake, you will need one banana or two, it depends with you. Melted margarine, I've melted the margarine. Vanilla essence to give it a flavor. Self-raising flour. I'm using this self-raising flour, the one with a picture of pancake. But if you don't have the self-raising flour, you don't have to worry, you can use baking powder. Then I have sugar, 2 eggs, and then milk. And I haven't measured my ingredients. So next I'm just going to start by adding the ingredients into my blender. It's not a must use blender, guys. If you don't have a blender, you can still mash your banana first and then mix them, and use a whisk or just a cooking spoon, or a cooking wooden spoon, or a hand whisk to mix them. For me, I'm just using a blender because I don't want to get tired. Yeah, anyway, don't mind that. So I'm just going to add my ingredients into my blender, and then I'm going to blend them until it have a smooth texture. The mixture is ready after blending, and that's how it looked like. Very smooth, everything well incorporated. So I'm just going to put it in a clean bowl like that. Next, I'm just going to take a pan, put it on heat. Then I'm going to smear some margarine into the pan. I'm going to use that to scoop the mix. I'm just spreading, that is margarine, I'm spreading into the pan. Then I'm just going to scoop my mixture and slowly start making my pancakes. So that's how it's going. As you can see, that's the process, guys. So I'm just going to turn it, and that's how it's supposed to look. Though it's not that brown, it's supposed to be the whole brown. It's supposed to turn brown. So you just continue doing so with the rest until you finish. So that is it, guys. The recipe was that simple. After watching the video, please tell me what you think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down there. So guys, please try this at home and tell me how it came out. It was really simple and very delicious. I can't wait to take this with tea, with my masala tea. Whoa, I can't wait. So guys, thank you so much for watching this. I hope to see you again in another next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please guys, and also like my videos. So guys, allow me to just end this video here. Bye bye.